Hi guys, I'm Soumya and I am back with another video. So today I will be talking about my TBR. These are the 10 books that I'm really looking forward to reading, and let me know if you have read any of them, or if you haven't, then let me know if these books interest you in the comment section. So let's get started. The first book is The Wonderful Wizard of Oz by L. Frank Baum. So I have read quite a few abridged editions of this story. I've read quite a few The Wizard of Oz novels, but this is the original one and I really wanted to read it. It's like one of those children's classics that I had been thinking about. So I got this particular edition, which is absolutely gorgeous. It's called the Mina Lima Classic Edition. I'll leave the link for it in the description if you want to check it out. And it has like a lot of interactive elements, which makes it very special and which makes the experience of reading this book extraordinary. The next book is Slouching Towards Bethlehem by Joan Didion. So this is non-fiction and it's a collection of essays by Joan Didion. As you can see that I'm already reading this book. I had started it a while back this year itself, but I hadn't been able to get into this book that well because I didn't really feel that connected to it, because she has written about topics that I have no relatability to, but I am wanting to give this book another go, so I'm going to start it again. The next book is The Bell Jar by Sylvia Plath. So this is one of those ultra famous books that I wanted to read, and I'm halfway through this book right now because this is my current read. It's a story about a girl named Esther, and so far she's very disappointed and her worldview and her perception about everything and everyone is quite bleak. Now obviously I know what The Bell Jar is about and what the theme of this book is, but I wanted to read it myself. I'm waiting till I finish this novel to form a concrete opinion on it, but so far it's a page turner, but there are certain phrases that have been used in this book that can be considered quite problematic today, and honestly even I don't like them that much. But yes, let's see how I'm going to feel about this book once I'm done with it. So the next book is Talking as Fast as I Can by Lauren Graham. So the only reason that I want to read this book is because I love Gilmore Girls, and Lauren Graham played this iconic character of Lorelai Gilmore, and in this book she has talked about her life and her experience on the Gilmore Girls set. So that's why I got this book. I'm a fan and I can't wait to read it. The next book is Full Metal Alchemist Volume 10, 11 and 12 by Hiromu Arakawa. So this contains all the 3 volumes. So I've read 9 volumes so far of Full Metal Alchemist and I'm really enjoying this story, so obviously I want to read further as well. It's a manga series and it's a story about 2 brothers, Edward and Alphonse, and they're trying to find the Philosopher's Stone so that they can come back to normal because something horribly bad happened to their bodies in an alchemical ritual. So it's a very interesting manga series so far, and what I love about this is that it doesn't have any gore and I'm enjoying it a lot. The next book is The Lonely City by Olivia Lang. So this is a non-fiction book, and in this book Olivia has talked about her experience of living in the New York City by herself in her mid-30s. So the topic this book deals with is that of loneliness, and it's a very relevant topic for mostly everybody. Everybody has felt lonely at some point in time. Some people are still lonely. So this book talks about that, and I was very fascinated and intrigued, which is why I got it. The next book is The Unlikely Adventures of the Shergill Sisters by Bali Kaur Jaswal. So this is a story about 3 sisters who are not exactly close, but they are forced to come together because it was their mother's dying wish that the 3 of them perform her final rites while taking a pilgrimage across India. And they have their own reasons to run away from their own respective lives. So I didn't really get this book for the synopsis as much as I got this book for the fact that I think Bali Kaur Jaswal is a great writer. I had loved reading erotic stories for Punjabi widows by her, and I really want to read more books by her, which is why I got this one. Next book is Toto-chan, The Little Girl at the Window by Tetsuko Kuroyanagi. So this is a memoir, and the only reason I got this was because when I was on my book shopping spree, the bookseller told me that I should definitely get this book. They literally pushed this book. They hyped this up so much that I decided to go for it. And I really don't have any context on this author and her life story, but they told me that it would not matter because the book is so wholesome and so nice that I was going to love it anyway, which is why I got it, and I am going to read it this year. The next book is Cleopatra and Frankenstein by Coco Mellors. I've had this book for a while now, and this is a love story between Cleo and Frank, and they have this huge age gap and they fall in love, and it's their love story and their individual stories as well. I had started reading this book a little bit and I had gotten to the point when they had met, which is right in the beginning. So, but I stopped because then I picked up The Bell Jar, but I'm going to pick this one up next once I'm done with that one. Next book is Book of Unforgettable Women by Khushwant Singh. This is a non-fiction book in which Khushwant Singh has expressed his opinions on different women that he interacted with, and I am interested in reading this book because the last book I read by him was Delhi. It was 2-3 years back, and I want to read another book by him, and I just saw it at the bookstore and I picked it up, and it seems like a fairly quick read. So that was my TBR. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Let me know if you want to read any of these books in the comments. If you want to connect with me on my social media, the links are in the description. I'm going to see you next time very soon. Till then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.